Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make veg lollipop without potato. Start by soaking 1 cup chickpeas for several hours and drain well, then pulse with 2 tablespoon breadcrumbs, 1 small onion, garlic, and spices until crumbly. Shape into lollipops around skewers, chill briefly, then coat lightly in shallow fry or bake for a crisp finish. Serve hot with chutney and garnish with fresh herbs for contrast and color. Measure ingredients before you start to streamline the process and avoid overworking the mixture. Pulse chickpeas, onion, and garlic to a coarse crumb, then stir in breadcrumbs, spices, and your chosen binder so the mix holds when pressed. Taste and adjust seasoning now because coating and frying reduces perceived salt. Keep the mixture cool in the fridge for 15 minutes before shaping to help maintain the lollipop form on skewers. Work with slightly wet hands and press firmly around each skewer to form compact lollipops that won't fall apart. If frying, monitor oil temperature and flip gently to brown all sides evenly. Use a splatter guard for safety. For baking, spray with oil and rotate the tray halfway to ensure uniform color. Let rest a few minutes after cooking so the interior firms and flavors meld before serving with chutney or yogurt dip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.